mag-subscribe ka na!
Hello, 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 universe.
Of course, thank you, Miss Diane, for capturing that moment. So right after the coronation night, I feel like I had an immediate meet and greet with all of the Chelsea supporters. So thank you for capturing po. And of course, aside from that, my best friend, she's working in Qatar, and she went home just to watch my coronation night. I was really amazed and shocked when I saw her, and of course I cried a lot. And she was actually the reason why I, joined Miss Universe Philippines, because I asked her to actually ask for a sign. So siya talaga ang nag-push sa akin. That's why I'm really grateful for her, and I'm so thankful that she really went home just to see my coronation night.
Miss Tagig, you were so stunning. I loved your hair all throughout, I must say. Really,
Thank you, Miss
really stood out.
Diane. For me naman po, during that time, out of the arena, straight lumabas po ako, thinking, sino kaya susundo sa akin? Is my family still there? Because my parents were senior citizens. So, inisip ko, baka umuwi na sila agad. So, ang sumalubong po sa akin out of the arena is my friends, second family ko. They were all shouting, cheering for Taguig. And I was so happy to see them. And then when I saw my family, when I came home na sa bahay, may nakita akong tarpaulin. Yung mom ko nagpa-print agad ng tarpaulin. So it's all there. Miss Supranational, she's so proud. And if she's watching this, I love you, Ma. And Miss Supranational ka na. So I'm so thankful. I'm so happy for this opportunity.
At Chisa,
My moment was, I haven't even left the stage. The moment they called my name as Miss Universe Philippines, I was happy, but also I was so happy with everyone's reaction that, it's also their dream to be Miss Universe Philippines, but I saw how much they celebrated that I won. And it really shows how amazing all of these women are. Even though they had to give up on their dreams, or I got their dream at this time, they were happy for me and they celebrated me.
Such well-spoken queens. Oh, queens indeed. Alright, any more questions? Alright, so before we take some photos, meron tayong activities sa ating mga queens. Kung may Q&A sa pageant, meron ding performance. So we will be asking them to dance Mabuhay. Okay, ready ba tayo doon, media? Yes! Okay, maestro! Nag-request po ng presence ni Miss Celeste Cortesi, aka Miss V. No, sila muna daw, and then later si Miss V. Okay, ano ba yung daw daw? Sir George, kailangan nila ng refresher sa moves. So now, photo up with the queens, and then later we'll invite the Miss Universe and Mr. Pilipinas worldwide. Grabe. All deserving queens. All queens beautiful inside out. Okay, but while we're setting up the photos, we have another question from Jether Palomar, Mr. Global. What movie is it, Miss Chelsea? Oh no, I'm dead. Okay. What movie? Please reveal the movie, Miss Chelsea. Later, okay? Try to remember. Because we want to know. Such beautiful queens, all deserving to be in the top 6. And of course, our very radiant and beautiful Miss Universe Philippines ang kukuha ng 5th crown for the Philippines. Tama ba ng media? And of course, parang ang lakas-lakas talaga ng ating back-to-back win for Miss Eco International 2026, Miss Gabby Carvalho. Palakpakan natin si Miss Gabby! Okay, now, picture with our MUPH and Empire Board of Directors. Once again, thank you so much to Within the Box for flowers for this afternoon for our queens. Tay and Densha for our venue setup. Citadines Millennium Ortigas for our venue. Miss Shamsi Suksok and Pino Beauty for making this event possible. Si Mama Lee daw po, ating National Search Director. After po nito, sasayaw po ang lahat ng mabuhay. Kasama po ang board.
Albert!
Si Miss Lee sumasayaw na ng mabuhay.
Media naman, media!
Smile!
Kami naman!
Okay, media partners. Smile.
Center please, center! Eyes on the center!
Photo with the Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide case. Ayan, we do Miss Celeste Cortesi first, also known as Miss V. Miss V, officially rebranded this afternoon. Miss V. Yung Mama Jane naman. Once again, thank you so much to Within the Box for our flowers, for our beautiful flowers, for our beautiful queens. Beautiful queens inside and out. May pinaplano yung voice na ano, placement. Bakit ganon? Grabe. May corona na, may pagmamahal pa na lamunuan.
Dito, center, center!
Okay.